The arrangement called for Seal to plead guilty to a drug-related charge and a charge of violating federal banking laws. In return for the guilty plea, the government agreed that Seal's sentence would not exceed the sentence he ultimately received in the Florida case known as Screamer.
I've reached exactly the type of settlement that I wanted to reach. Whether they're happy or not, you'll have to ask them.
You pleading guilty?
Yeah, I'm pleading guilty.
You going to serve any time?
I don't think so.
It is my view that the sentence will not be reduced. And as a result, he will serve 10 years, or the appropriate portion of that, under the parole guideline.
What do you base that view on?
Just my knowledge of his situation and...
Have you talked to the judge?
No, not in Florida.
I mean, how could you possibly make that judgment if you haven't talked with the judge?
Well, just based on prior experience. I just have a feeling that he's not in a position, he's got no reason to change it.
Have you talked with the U.S. Attorney in South Florida about what the status is of that and what the government's recommendation may be?
Yes, they're going to oppose it. But they're not, it's largely they're going to notify the judge there of whatever Seal has done for them down there.
Stan Bardwell's belief that Barry Seal would serve jail time underscores the lack of communication and coordination between various federal jurisdictions. Bardwell apparently was being kept in the dark about the promises already made to Seal.
Is this a face-saving measure by your office?
We've got an excellent source of information that obviously
He's already cooperating with the government.
No, that's not correct.
He was cooperating with drug agents in South Florida.
On one case. Now, he had no agreement with them, as I understand it.
Had he not been working with the Vice Presidential Task Force?
No, you'll have to ask them that. My information is he had worked on one case, and that was the end of it. That was the limit of his obligations. The 10-year sentence here will assure him and the government, I think, that is the sentence that he will serve.